advanced stuff. So if you've done previous projects, it'll come up with random stuff. So you want to hit sync mono develop project, and it'll sync your current project with it. Okay, so we're going to start off with a first-person script, first-person control script. Oops, accidentally opened the wrong file. Okay, so that's my pre-made one that I'm going to work off of. Okay, so we'll just start off with the basics of Java and scripting with Android. Okay, so you want to go into Unity, go under here, you want to create a new folder, right click, create folder called scripts. And you want to right click, create a JavaScript, and you want to call it FPS_Android, or whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. It's just that's what I like to name stuff, so it has meaning to the name. So now I'll go. Oh, wrong one. Let me go to prefabs, first person controls. Okay, so don't worry about that for now. I just need to see where all the scripts link. So don't do this. I'm just going to see where all the scripts link up to, because I forgot. It's been a while. Okay. So I'll run you through making this first-person control script so that it will be compatible with this. So I'll just delete this now that I know where everything is. Okay, so you want to double-click on, close that, double-click on this script, and it will open it up in here. So basically, this, I don't know what it means, so I can delete it. This is your main function. This is called when you first start the game. So you could say, if you want the start, I'll just do a basic. If you want, say you're doing bullets, and you can go, on the start you want to find how many bullets you have. So you go bullets equals bullets per clip, say. And that will define right at the start. So this fires before anything except for the function, function awake. That's called as soon as the game is. That's called as soon as you hit the button. This is as soon as the level fully loads. And this is called every frame. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much in here. You can always call to outside scripts, like scripts that you define down here, like function. Why do I always do that? Function, say kill, and then kill. And then say, you can just call in here, kill. And that will automatically call this script here. So, we want to start off just defining some variables. So, first, we want to link a character controller script to our person. So we want to grab game object and grab a, say, make a cylinder. Not a cylinder, a capsule. So this will represent your player just for now, until I release some free assets that you can work with. So yeah, see this? This will represent the player. You want to make sure it's just above the ground. Okay, so now you want to go component, physics, character controller. You click replace, and then you want to look where the collider is. That collider is fine. So now when you hit the play button, it'll still do absolutely nothing. So we want to grab this camera, and wherever it is, we want to grab it and drag it above our person. So I'm just using the directional buttons, holding them down and moving it across, and you want to get it till it's basically roundabout in the head, so roundabout there. And then you want to rename it to, you're going to click on it doubly, not double click in a row, but click, and name it player underscore perspective. Okay, so now, since you have the capsule, if we move the capsule, then it's going to move away from the camera. So basically what we want to do is make this the child of the capsule. So drag it in there, we select that, and now the camera will move wherever we take that. So you want to name this Android underscore player. And just for the heck of it, I'll name this floor. Okay, so now we can actually start with scripting. So we want to grab here, we want to grab the script and just drag it and drop it onto here. So now that script will control our movement. So when we use our Android phone, we're going to define a little box here and a little box here that will control our movement. So you want to go game object, create empty. Click right here and go reset so it's straight in the middle. Then you want to go component, game object, create, and GUI texture. So you want to set the position, say, something like the Unity watermark. You want to select the position so it's sort of, you want to go pixel inset, and this will just want to reset these values. Be 0, 0, and I like to go, wow, that was wrong. Go 200, and then go negative 50. Wait, no, negative 200. Okay, so that's about the position we want it. So you want to hit here, and then go Android widescreen. So something sort of like that. And then we want to copy this, paste it, and then do exactly the same. So you want to select this one, pixel inset, and make it 200. Wait, no, negative 200 still. But you make this negative 200, or negative 255, or negative 300. That's better. Okay, so you basically want those. And then you want to go into here and drag this into there. Now this will be the joysticks, or joysticks. And you want to drag it into there. You want to take these out of here and put that into there. So I want to call whatever this is left, or lefter, left, and this is right. Well, they currently have no function, so we're going to want to call a script. So this comes with a predefined script called Joystick, because this one is a bitch to make. So you just want to drag it on there, and grab that joystick on there. So if you hit that, you'll see this, how I can move it when I tap it. Now I want to drag, since I'll put these, actually, I'll put them back inside of there. And then since that's like that, you can adjust their position. So I want to drag them, I'll just adjust them separately since they're not completely right. So you want the right one to be a little bit more over, so one, wait, no, that's fine. But you want it to be about 170? Wait, no, 160, 50, 150, 140. Okay, 140 is good. And then you want to make this about negative 180, 170, 165. Sorry, I've just